When should we mark the beats of a song while editing it? The first step is, of course, listening to it first. Then mark the peak parts, or what I like to call beat points. If you want more accuracy, focus on the waveform peaks to place the beat points. Well, I guess everyone already knows about this, right? So I have an easier way, and some people already use this method when editing in Alight Motion. This will also answer this long question. So what is it? It's called Remake. You can easily copy parts of the music's beat or lyrics. For example, this is a simple remake that I made. This method also makes it easier when splitting into multiple projects to reduce lag during editing. So, how does it work? As I said before, this will be split into several projects. Import the video you want to remake into the timeline. Then cut the part that matches the part you divided. You can use your own method, but as an example, I'll place it in the corner. Now you can easily see when the lyrics appear and stay on beat for shakes or transitions. For example, I made a slightly different concept. Just use this method to match it with the music. Once done, export and save the results. Then, connect all the results in one project, and you can also use the same method. So that's how to sync music. The first method requires precision, but is more flexible. The second method is simpler and great for practicing editing, while staying on beat and in sync with lyrics. Well, I think that's all for now, and see you next time.